Dreaming of hitting the virtual pitch in FC26 without breaking the bank? Let's unlock some smart ways to snag it for less. First things first, become a retail detective. Don't just hit the first store you see. Open up a new tab and compare prices across various reputable retailers, both online and brick and mortar. Next, hunt for those sweet discounts. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales. Think Black Friday, holiday promotions, or even mid-season releases where older titles might see price drops. Publishers often have their own online stores too, so check there. Now, let's talk promo codes. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite gaming sites and retailers. Often, they'll send out exclusive discount codes directly to your inbox. Even a quick Google search for FC26 promo codes before you buy can yield surprising results. Consider the subscription route. Some gaming subscription services offer day-one access to major titles or provide significant discounts on game purchases. If you're a dedicated gamer, this could be a cost-effective way to play FC26 and a whole lot more. By combining these strategies, smart comparison shopping, actively seeking discounts, leveraging promo codes, and exploring subscription options, you'll be well on your way to saving money and enjoying FC26.